said, my name is Wanjiko and I'm an insurance professional, and today I want to teach you about something on this specific road. Unaona magari yanapita so hii barabara inashikwa na tofauti. And according to the Kenyan law, by the time you drive kwa hii barabara, unafaa kukuwa na a minimum insurance ya third party insurance. And when you come to the industry, or when you come to for your motorbike or for your agricultural vehicle or for your taxi, whichever policy that you want. The question is, ukinunua hiyo insurance, do you really understand umenunua nini? Do you always understand like what you have purchased? If you are asked to explain the benefit of that policy, would you explain? At the same time, your policy, when you have an accident or there's an incident, do you know where to start? Do you understand your policy? And I'm here today to explain to you. I'll be doing this more often just for the purposes of explaining to you the purpose of insurance and to try to explain to you the benefit of the policy that you have purchased. So I cannot explain everything. I cannot be able to explain everything. I'll just talk about one specific, and then with that, maybe from the comments, comment section on what you'd like to learn or what you'd like to get a clarification on, and then I'll be doing the videos based on the feedback that probably you would want to understand. So today I want to talk about motor vehicles and motor private. Now, when you come to purchase insurance for your car, we give or we sell insurance based on the usage of the vehicle. So there are some who complain to me when they are shiko, unajua mimi gari yangu nilipisha this specific amount, ama mimi nilienda nikalipishwa a certain amount, beshte yangu akona the same car amelipishwa a different amount. Yes, we charge a different amount. Why? We charge different amounts because when we are charging for insurance, we charge based on specific gari yako kama iko na value ya 2 million na gari ya mtu mwingine iko na value ya $500,000 or 600, you cannot be charged the same. At the same time, when you purchase this insurance, kuna benefits, extra benefits that probably are your friend has or you don't have, or you have purchased, they are optional benefits. So when you come to purchase the policy, there's something called a basic. So there's something called a basic cover. Na kuna cover ambayo ni basic plus optional benefits. So you're the one who chooses the benefits that you're going to purchase. Now, today I have seen people suffer because of something small court claim. Let me move from the other side so that you can move from so much noise on the road. So now, when you come to the current things that we have in the industry, kuna kitu inaitwa small court claim, and I know some of you have been caught up with that court. What do I mean? The government requires you, when you're driving on the road, you have a minimum policy of a third party policy. Lakini swali ni munaelewa hiyo third party ni nini munanunua? Do you understand the benefits or the limitations that you have within that policy? Now, when you come to that party, ukinunua policy ya third party, kuna third party mara mbili, ama benefits ambazo ziko hapo ni mbili. Number one, kuna kitu inaitwa third party property damage. Yani umegonga mali ya mtu, umegonga gari ya mtu, umegonga mali ya mtu, kwa ambao wako kwa hii section, wariga gari ya mtu, ama umeharibu mali ya mtu. You have damaged somebody else's property. Now, the law requires that you repair or you make good or you return that vehicle to the status that it was before the accident. Sasa, hiyo ni by law, so lazima urepair hiyo gari. Sasa kwa insurance, there's a limit. So hiyo gari si kusema ati because you have purchased a third-party policy that sasa tutalipia kila kitu. There is a limit. There's a limit. So when you're purchasing your policy, please check on something called third-party property limit. Why am I saying this? It's because if the insurance company has given you a very low price, oh, Shiko, policy yenu ni very expensive, oh, this company is charging, company A is charging this amount, company B is charging this amount. Yes, the companies will charge different amounts depending on where you are purchasing the policy. But remember, that price that you have been given there will also have different limits. The importance of this limit is what I want to teach you today. Now, before I go to the limits, there's third-party property damage. So, hiyo ndio ya kwanza. Number 2, there's something called third-party personal injuries. Unaweza gonga mtu aumie. Huyo mtu utamcompensate. So at the same time, ukikuja kwa insurance bado kuna hizo limits. So what is the importance of you knowing the limits? And this one especially to the owners of the vehicles who purchase the insurance. We call them insurance in the industry. You need to know gari yako, your policy, what is my limit for that party property damage, and what is my limit, or what are the limits that I have from the insurance company under the personal injuries, and the importance of these limits. What the importance of these limits mean? This is what it means. Umegonga gari ya mtu, umepelekana kotini, my friend. Mkienda kotini, the court is going to give an award. Okay, so the judgment will come with an award. So let's say your insurance, the limit of that party property damage, probably your insurance has given a limit of 5 million. So if the court or the judge gives an award higher than 5 million, it means that you are the one who is going to pay for that extra amount. So the insurance company, whatever you have purchased the policy, will process the limit up to where they have given the policy. Read your policy document. Hiyo iko juu, ni wewe utalipa. Usipolipa, this is where now you see people being given unapatiwa judgment, utalipa. So unaona auctioneers kwa mlango wamefika. Alafu unaanza kusema insurance si wazuri, oh insurance ni wakora. Hapana, insurance si wakora. Please read your policy document very well and know your limits. Know your limits. If you have purchased a policy, the insurance company can only pay up to their obligation. So if you have purchased, for example, of course, ukikuja kwa industry, you get one person charging a very low price. Of course, the benefits will be low. You get a person who is charging maybe a higher price, the benefits will be different. So it's what you want to purchase. So if you have purchased a very good limit, then you're covered. So it's upon you to check your policy, what you're purchasing. Now, when you come again to personal injuries, kuna death na kuna personal injuries. So again, these are awards which are given in court. Ama mnasikizana. So you go to the insurance company, so you can either settle it out of court, ama you can go through the court, and then you agree on the amount that you're going to be compensated on. So it depends on how you have agreed with the person who was injured, or the family of the person, or the family of the deceased person. So it depends. So that is that party. So you have to cover that. Now, the other one is now where you come in and purchase a policy that is comprehensive. Now, there's a very big difference between comprehensive policies and third-party policies. Third-party inamaanisha you have only covered limits of the other person, not you. Your car is not covered. Gari yako haiko covered. So ukifanya accident, gari yako ikue na we call them own damage ama gari yako imeumia. Sasa yako hutatengeneza kwa sababu yako iko third party. So your car is not covered. You have only covered the liabilities of the other person, but yours are not covered. So that's what the third party covers. But if you want to cover now inclusive of your car, your car imeumia kwa accident, you want the insurance company to compensate you for your car damages, then you purchase a comprehensive policy. So wengine naona mnanunua policy then wakati accident may happen, you come to the insurance company, you go to wherever you have insured your policy, and you expect the insurance company to repair your car. Na iko third party, haitakuwa repaired. Please usiende kusema insurance ni wamekuibia. Hapana, hawajakuibia kitu yoyote. Your car is on a third party, so the insurance company will not repair your car. I hope you are clear on that. So if you want your car repaired and the other car repaired, you purchase a comprehensive policy. Now, when we are selling a comprehensive policy, we normally charge it based on the sum insured. So iko na maybe gari yako iko 2 million, tutakupatia rate depending on kwenye umeenda kununua. The insurance companies of course will give you different ratings. So 1 million, so wengi wao kwa market tutapata most of the vehicles you'll find them organized between 500,000. Minimum sum insured kwa market generally will be 500,000. So you'll get 500,000 vehicles between 500,000, that's the minimum sum insured. 500,000 maybe to 1 million mtachajua maybe a common rate. Then maybe watachukua maybe another 1 million, maybe to another maybe 2 million ama 2.5, maybe another common rate. Hivo. Plus now, there's something that I would want to like to mention. Kama gari yako iko na different value from your friend, you will not pay the same premium. So if you're in different categories, you will not pay the same premium. Then there's something we call minimum premium in the industry. So when you see something called minimum premium, probably you have done 4% of the rate of 4%, probably just an example, on the value of your vehicle. So let's say like 4% of the sum insured of a vehicle comes below, for example, let's say comes to like 35,000. So if it comes to 35,000 and the minimum amount or the minimum premium that you can pay is about 37,500, that's the basic, that's the common minimum premium currently in the market, 37,500. You will not pay below that 37,500. So ukifanya hesabu zako zikuja 35 uniulize Triza, mbona unanilipisha 37,000 na nikifanya hesabu zangu hiyo 4% of the value of my car is coming to 35. Ni kwa sababu kuna kitu inaitwa minimum premium. So usiona ni kama unaibiwa, hakuna mtu anakuibia. There's something called minimum premium. So that minimum premium is what you pay if your sum insured calculations comes below that 37,500. Now, so there is sum insured, then you have year of manufacture. So you will see when you are selling the comprehensive policies, we will talk about the sums insured, the minimum age. So kama gari yako, most companies will give you between most of them will give you around 15 years. So if your vehicle is above 15 years, for you to get a comprehensive policy inakuwa industry to industry to it's just the industry. So if your vehicle is above 15 years, so those ones you can get. I'm not saying you can't get, you can get, but most companies will give up to 15 years. Now, I'm still enjoying the environment. So yeah, so I've talked about the sum insured and the age of the vehicle. So once we do the calculation, we are going to request for documents. Kuna documents tunashinanga kuitisha. We will ask for your ID. Of course, ID yako lazima ikue KYC. ID, your PIN number, tutaitisha copy ya logbook, tutaitisha hizo vitu zote when we are doing the policies for the insurance. Now, the other thing that will affect your price is benefits. Sasa, insurance is no longer about price. Please come on, bado unanunua insurance na pricing, please change from today. If you are watching my video today, please do not purchase insurance for your car based on price. It is a factor, yes, but please ensure you know the benefits that you are purchasing. Jua benefits ya policy yako. Ya kwanza nimesema leo, please know your third party limits. It is so important. So usiletewe sticker tu na agent, kazi yako tu ni kupiga simu. Hai, sasa policy yangu imeisha, nilete sticker. Please do not be that person if you are watching my video. Always ask, what are the benefits of this policy? What are the benefits of this policy? Most of you may ask you, ile sticker iko nyuma ya kioo yako ya gari, the windscreen. Nikuulize, what is the benefit or the information behind that sticker? Hamujui? Mnajua tu niko na comprehensive, mnajua tu ni comprehensive. Hapana, that is not enough. Please go further to further and learn the benefits behind that sticker. Know your third party policy limits, know the benefits that you have. Now, if you have purchased a basic policy, kama umenunua tu a basic policy, it means it does not have the extra benefits. Now, these extra benefits are the ones I'm going to talk about today, and then maybe next time I'll talk about something different. Now, the benefits. So if you come and I give you a basic policy, ukisikia kitu inaitwa basic, itamaanisha haina extra benefits. Now, different companies or different insurers will give you different packages. Kuna mwenye atakwambia I'm giving you this rate with all the benefits. But which are benefits am I talking about? Number one, there's something very important called excess protector. Excess protector. Sijui kama mnajua excess ni nini. Kama hamjui mnaweza niandikia hapo kwa comment section. I'll respond with what is excess. But basically ni amount, I want to put it in very basic language. Unaona gari ikipata accident, iende kwa garage. Kuna contribution ambayo insurance company watakuambia gari imeenda kwa garage ndio, lakini uko na part yako ya kucontribute for that accident. Normally kama motor private tutakucharge 2.5%, 0.25% of the value of your car. With a minimum, utapata wengine watakupatia with a minimum of 20,000, wengine a minimum of 30,000. So tutakwambia by the time gari inafika kwa garage. I'll explain the claim process later. So ikienda kwa garage kuna hiyo amount yenye una contribute. So if I'm not clear, you can tell me to repeat it again. So now, if you don't want to pay that amount when you have an accident, you buy something called an excess protector. This excess protector, you cannot purchase it. You can't purchase it when you have an accident. You normally purchase it at the point of purchasing the insurance policy. Ukifanya either a new policy or when you are renewing your policy, you always renew it with a please, if you're watching my video, do not purchase a policy without a benefit of excess protector, because wakati wa claim utalipa hiyo pesa. We are not saying it's going to happen. Me, I'm an insurance person, so lazima niwaambie iki happen utalipa hiyo pesa. So if you don't want to pay that amount, please purchase an excess protector benefit when you are renewing your policy. The other benefit that is very common is political violence and terrorism. I'll repeat that again. Political violence and terrorism inaitwa PVT kwa industry. So make sure uko na hiyo benefit. Hiyo benefit ni ya kusema, unaona kama wakati kulikuwa na terror attack. Dusit, hizo magari huko zenye zinakuwa affected wakati wa terror attack. Ama wakati kuna political issues and then gari yako iko caught up na hizo vitu, hiyo tunaitanga that benefit is called political violence and terrorism. If your car does not have benefit and is caught up in one of those incidences, please, the insurance company will not pay. Msiwaite wezi, ni wewe haukununua hiyo benefit. So you'll get most of them with that benefit. The other benefit that I'll talk about is loss of use. A loss of use, utapata imeandikwa either loss of use stroke courtesy car. When kwa industry unaweza ongeza zingine hapo ni mnatumia. So normally you get it loss of use or courtesy car. So that one is whereby gari imeenda kwa garage and you need a car to use during that specific time. So you purchase that benefit again when you are purchasing the insurance. So unaona kama mimi Triza nimenunua hizo benefits zote na wewe hujanunua umelipa tu basic premium, hatuwezi lipa the same premium. So when you see people paying different premiums, do not compare yourself what you are paying with another person, because one person is paying a different benefit from a different person. Mtu ananunua vitu tofauti, kila mtu ananunua something different kwa hii soko, so they are completely different. So when you are purchasing your policy, please know the benefits. Now I want to close my video today there. This was just an opening one, and I'm just doing it for fun. For those who know me well, they know I really like doing this. So I'm just here to give back to the society, to the community of what I do. So I'm just here to teach you. So if you want to learn something about insurance, you can inbox or comment section what you want to learn about. Kuna other policies I'll teach you about, but next time I'll do a video on the claim process, or how you're supposed to do the claims process, the documentation, and basically to guide you on that. Today I just wanted to highlight on that. Please, if you're watching this video, do not get caught up by the small courts claim. Please understand your policy. I'm doing this because I've seen people suffer. You're auctioned because of ignorance. I do not want that to happen to you if you have watched my video. Please know your policy. If you want to understand more, or you have not gotten something, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll do this for free. I'm not charging you. I want you to learn. I want you to be educated. I want you to have knowledge. Yeah, I want you to understand the policy. kujificha, because huyo mtu mwenye unabeba akianguka, hizo vitu nimeongelelea hapo, that party personal injury, that party death, umegonga mali ya mtu, please just pay up the insurance. Msichome watu magari, let's not engage in those things. Please just have your insurance. Accidents happen. Hakuna mtu mwenye anataka kufanya accident, they happen. Those accidents happen. That's why we are there as an industry to compensate during such incidences. Please muensure mko na policy. Msibebe watu huko kwa mashinani. Hata kama uko mashinani, hata kama uko ushago, unaona ni kama hakuwezi kufanyika accident kama saa hizi. Unaona weather imechange. Weather imechange. Kunanyesha. Kunanyesha, barabara ziko zinatereza, mnaweza anguka na mtu either akufe ama aumie. So remember that person, you have to compensate. Please mnunue policies za boda. Afadhali hata ununue third party basi kama uta afford comprehensive. But please usikae, insurance sio ya polisi. Please, if you're watching my video, insurance sio ya polisi. It is not for the police, and I really want to change your mindset if you have that one. Insurance sio ya polisi. Insurance ni yako ya kukubenefit na kukusaidia wakati madhara ya accident imehappen. Basa ni Legalian saa hizi, watatue tukauza Legalian. Kwa herini, bye. Na mkuje mtembee huku. Mnaona venye nikusupu, kuja niwache na waonyeshe huku. So mnaona venye nikusupu, mkuje mtembee huku, kunaweza relax huku. So meanwhile, kwa herini, enjoy your weekend, long weekend, and make sure you have your policy, know your policy, test your policy, be knowledgeable. Talk to me if you don't get it. Natiko Ng'ang'a, kwa heri.